If you're left-handed and want crochet to finally make sense, I'd love to help you. Hi, it's Sandy from Southpaw Crochet Studio. I struggled to learn how to crochet until a left-handed cousin showed me how. That was over 50 years ago, and I've been crocheting ever since. In this video, I'm going to show you how to crochet the chain stitch. It's an important stitch to master because it's the foundation of almost every crochet project. If you're ready to learn, grab a hook and some yarn, and let's get started. I'm using a 5mm crochet hook and a medium weight yarn. Start by making a slip knot and placing it on your hook. Pull the tail end of the yarn to tighten the knot, but don't tighten it too much. It should move up and down the handle of the hook easily. Holding the yarn just below the slip knot on your hook with your thumb and middle finger, yarn over by wrapping the yarn from back to front over the hook. Rotate the hook so the hook is pointing down and pull the yarn through the loop that is on your hook. You now have one chain stitch. Let's make a few more chains. Yarn over, rotate your hook, pull through the loop. Each pull through creates one chain. Yarn over, rotate the hook, pull through the loop. Yarn over, rotate the hook, pull through the loop. As your chain gets longer, you'll move your thumb and middle finger up to hold the chain closer to the hook. Yarn over, rotate the hook, pull through the loop. Yarn over, rotate the hook, pull through. Yarn over, rotate the hook, pull through. Yarn over, rotate the hook, pull through. Let's take a look at the chain. Each chain is shaped like a V. I have made a chain of 8. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The loop on your hook does not count as a chain. Controlling the tension is important when creating your chain. You don't want the chains too tight because then it will be difficult to get your hook into the chains when you do your next row. But you also don't want them too loose or your first row will look uneven. When you're just starting out, your chain may look like this. There are some loose chains, some very tight chains, some that aren't as tight, and then more loose chains. And that is absolutely normal. Getting the tension right takes practice. So keep making chains until you're happy with the way they look. You want each chain to be about the same size, but they don't have to be perfect. If you need a refresher on making a slip knot or holding your hook and yarn, I have linked those videos in the description. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have, a thumbs up lets YouTube know it's useful to other left-handed crocheters. And if you'd like more clear left-handed tutorials, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss a new video.